the vision. It draws your eye. In as much as I want it to be nice, I want it to be very functional. Mostly all my jobs that I've done. So that one is gonna level up.
Nice.
Welcome to another luxurious transformation by GETTY Luxury Interior Concept LLC. So now let's get straight into business. This beautiful client of mine reached out to my team and I wanted a modern, luxurious and timeless look. I mean, from the very first day we walked through the home, see the space we would be working with, and you will see there was a lot to consider. One of the biggest challenge was this red brick chimney. That's because of the previous extension now sat in the middle of the living room. Typically, you see chimneys extending behind the house, but with the extension creating a small bedroom, it has shifted into this space. At this point, we had two options: demolish it entirely or find a smarter creative solution. And you all know at GETTY, that's the ELEOS Luxury Interior Concept. We don't just follow trend. I mean, we create solutions by the grace of God and with a lot of creative thinking. We transformed that chimney into a luxurious modern media wall. And listen, without any demolition. It's now a stunning feature that elevates the entire living room. So if you want to watch the whole transformation of this living room, it's already posted. Kindly check the playlist and you will really understand. So right from there, we moved straight into the dining area and the kitchen. The space was outdated, but here is the thing about us. We don't judge. We only see possibilities. And on that note, let me do a very quick introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Getty ELEOS, Creative Director and CEO of GETTY Luxury Interior Concept LLC, your favorite nurse and luxury interior designer. I'm a mom of two little humans and wife to an amazing husband. And on this channel, I share pieces of my journey to motherhood, alongside interior design, home decor, home styling, and full of clients before and after transformations, which this video is one of those. My heart is to show you that it is very possible to create a very beautiful aesthetics home with kids. If you are new here, you are so welcome. And I would love you to hit the subscribe button to join our small but beautiful community. So for this client, we are going to revamp and change a whole lot in this kitchen. You can see the current setup, and while it works, there is so much potential here. We are going to change the stone completely, I mean the countertop and the backsplash. And we are also going to reposition in the hood. Right now, the hood is centered because the stove is on the island. But that setup is taking away a lot of flexibility and usable space. Our goal here at the GETTY Luxury Interior Concept LLC is functionality first. We want her to truly enjoy this island. I mean, to have enough working space to gather, and space that actually makes sense for everyday life. So the stove is going to be moved to the wall, and the island will be kept open and clean. So when we move the stove, that means that we are also going to move the hood as well. And she will have 3 beautiful island lights that will really define the space and make it feel intentional and elevated. We are also going to change the floor, which is also going to make a huge difference in how the entire kitchen feels. And over the dining area, we are adding a beautiful ceiling designs to tie everything together and give the space more character. I mean, character. We are definitely changing the sink and replacing it with a luxury farmer sink from Ruvati. And if you follow my stories on Instagram, you already know how obsessed I am with the Ruvati sink. See, every client of mine gets to experience Ruvati because it's what I use in my own home. So yes, we are upgrading to something more functional and truly luxurious. You all know that at GETTY Luxury Interior Concept LLC, luxury details are our love language, and so Another thing that we are going to do is to completely revamp the powder room. We want it to feel luxurious and stunning. Even though it's a smaller space, those details matter just as much. So this is actually a big project overall, and we are touching the steps as well in the entire staircase. Right now you can see the space feels a bit dark, so we are adding in more light to really open up the space. We will be adding some wall paneling and intentional designs to give it more depth and character. There is a huge wall abscess, and we are going to turn that into a statement accent wall, something that really catches the eye and tie the whole home together. So this is where we are now with the kitchen. I mean, it's honestly wild to look back and see how far this space has come, right? I mean, what you are seeing isn't just a makeover. It's a series of intentional choices that completely changed how this kitchen feels and functions. So you can see, we didn't just tear down everything. Instead, we worked around what we already had and elevated it. So you can see from the layout to the finishes, every update was about making the space, feel more stunning, cohesive, and honestly more inviting. That is the goal. And you can see we already have our 3-island light. If you could remember from the beginning, it was just 2-island light with a hood, but now that has been moved. So we fixed that. And that's why now you see we have 3 beautiful island lights. And you can also see that we've already moved the stove to the wall. And this stove includes the oven. So to save space, we chose a large 36 inches range and position it right against the wall. And definitely we will be adding a smart hood above it, which will really anchor that entire section and give a clean finish look. So this was the final stone and countertop measurement stage where everything was confirmed and payment was completed. I'm honestly grateful for my team, guys. They are so hardworking, dedicated, and I truly appreciate the effort they put in every project. They listen, they execute, and they care about getting things done the right way, just as I have envisioned. So like I said, we were making sure all details were accurate. And as a luxurious interior designer and creative director, I was, of course, guiding the process, walking them through exactly how everything needed to be done so the vision translates perfectly into the final results. See, this stage is critical because it sets the foundation for everything that comes next. Most importantly, when the planning is done right, the execution becomes seamlessly. If you are enjoying this transformation so far, kindly make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss what is coming next. Go ahead and hit the like button because it really helps and support the channel. And let me know if you are loving this kind of content. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified every time a new video goes live. There is so much more to share, from design details, full remodel, home styling, home decor, organizations, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching to this far and for being here. And guys, I'm always excited for installation days. There is one thing I have to let you guys know, right? So the foundation of Jolek was rooted purely in passion. That is why we treat every client's home the same way we would treat our own home. Did you guys catch the sneak peek of the dining area? At this point, the ceiling designs were already done and everything was starting to come together so nicely. This was when my team was double checking all the measurements again, like for the second time, to make sure everything was accurate before bringing in the stone. See, the stone is very, very, very heavy. So getting the right measurement is extremely important. This part of the process may look exciting, but it's what makes the final result clean, smooth, and well executed. So yes, as you can see, today was the installation day and everything went so smoothly. The stone was cut outside because of all the dust and debris. And now seeing it all come together has made me so happy. Honestly, I cannot wait to show you guys the final reveal. It's just going to be amazing. If you look at the before and after, you really see how open and airy the space feels now. You can already get a clear picture of what we've done. So you can see the island light in the place, and we already upgraded the sink to Rovati former sink. Ooh. You all know how much I love Rovati product, right? So yeah, that's what I have in my own house as well, and I am so excited to have it here for my clients. So yes, it's always advisable to use the same countertop for the backsplash as well. That's if you have a little extra budget to spend, because it's definitely the right way and the excellent choice in my opinion. By doing that, it's so much more seamless and more luxurious and much easier to maintain than those tiny mosaic tiles and subweights and all that, where cleaning the grout, can get stressful. At this point, we were just putting in the cabinet handles. And let me tell you, family, these handles are absolutely stunning in person. I love them. I just love how they look. They really elevate the whole space. And yeah, while we were at it, you can also see some of the paneling starting to come together from the dining area. And the hood is in place too, if you can catch a glimpse. So yes, this is all about finishing touches and making everything feel complete. I want you to stay tuned because the final reveal is going to be epic. Say epic. And I know you are going to love it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching to this far. I truly appreciate every one of you. And to my OGs, thank you so much for supporting. And if you are new here, you are so welcome. You are at the right place for home transformation, luxury details, luxury designs, and so many. Kindly stay tuned for the final reveal. I can't wait to show you. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.